Hi there, Heather Clontmaker with At Home Realty here, and today I am standing outside of a brand new listing out at 982 Central. It's not this cute little thing behind me. This is an adorable playhouse playset combo that's in the backyard behind me, but I am outside of the house. It's a great home, centrally located right in downtown Holland, but I just wanted to show you this backyard because this house is an example of how you can live in the downtown, like in the city center, close to things, but you still have a large lot, a peaceful feeling, and a great house. So let me show you this yard. All right, so here we go. There you see the house. It's white, kind of an off-white, kind of a cute off-white and black combo there. And here we go, nice big deck, lots of trees in the yard, creating just a lot of visual interest out here. Nice peaceful feeling. We're right on Central, like I said, around Central and 40th, and just a really peaceful feeling back here. Again, plenty of outdoor space here, seating, things like that. And this playhouse playset combo I think is absolutely adorable. Even if you don't have kids, you probably have nieces and nephews, grandchildren, maybe, you know, friends with children, things like that. It's a great addition, super fun aspect to this house. I'm going to be here today until around 12:30, so if you're interested in checking it out, or if you know somebody else who might be, feel free to either bring them on by, tag them in the post, send me a message if it's you, or comment below, and I would love to get you in if today doesn't work for you. Again, great house, just hit the market. This one's gonna go fast, so I just really didn't want you guys to miss it. I'm not gonna do a full tour. If you're interested in seeing it, I would love to have you out here, show you in person, and that kind of thing. So reach out to me, 616-610-9948. Other than that, I hope you have an awesome day. I'm gonna go home after this. Lots planned around our house today. Lots of activity, things to do. It's one of my niece's little birthdays, so we're going to probably FaceTime her or something like that, but just looking forward to a great day. It's a beautiful day to be out looking for a house. So if you wanna come and see me, I will be here waiting for you. Have an awesome day.